Hello, hello to all. Very good day. Today I am unveiling a iPhone 11. So this is the iPhone 11. Just have a look. This is called a gray color iPhone. Look at this, so shiny. So what I will do, I will tell you everything about what are the things which is there in the box. So this is your iPhone 11, 128 GB gray. So what else you want? You have iPhone. So now the all the versions of which is there from 10 and above. It is little thick in the size and also weighs more than the other earlier one like iPhone 5, 6, 7. So it is heavier than that. So I am giving you feel of each and every side how it looks like. These things are volume button, speakers and jack. Those two speakers are there.
Only one jack point, that is for headphone and also
Yes.
for charging.
The finish is very good.
So that's all. That's
So
that's
we'll
all
open
with
also
iPhone.
all the other things which are
And
there in the box.
this is what this is a
So
charger.
this is a data cable
Okay.
which is used for charging
Okay.
also, and you can use the
This is
same
a charger.
for data transfer also.
Okay. Okay. It's having C-type charger also. It's
This is
having
all
normal
about you have
charger
to put it
also.
over here in the jack.
Great.
So not
Great.
take much time on this. I'll just open it.
Wow. See that. One type
This
it is
is a
C-type
different C
charger
type
and this is a
cable
normal charger.
for data. This
And
time they have
what
changed it.
else?
And this is the
What is
headphone.
having?
This is how your phone will look like.
Power on.
A SIM card tray ejector pin. And an Apple logo. Yeah. What else? Nothing there inside.
No adapter.
That's all.
Nothing.
You will get only a data cable and pin. That's it.
iPhone
And
11.
a iPhone.
11. Only iPhone
If you
11.
see, the Apple logo is there in between the phone. Earlier it was on the upper side. Now it is totally in between the phone.
उधर देखो पापा।
Hello, Ola.
Okay. So I have turned it on. Now you can see how it is looking like.
सिम कार्ड डालने दिखना है.
It will say hello in all the different languages
मन करेगा तो हटा देंगे
available in the
मन
world.
करेगा तो